Before working on an electric appliance, always disconnect it from the wall. See how to replace washer drive belt on a Frigidaire stacked washer machine. First, remove the two front panel screws located at the bottom. Remove the front panel by pushing it down and out. Before removing the old belt, push the drum away from you to make more room. Then simply apply pressure on the white tension wheel, and with the other hand, slide the belt off the transmission wheel. Installing the new belt is done the same way. First, slide the belt under the tension wheel and the motor wheel. Then make it around the transmission wheel. Fit the belt on the tension wheel and motor wheel, then apply pressure on the white wheel and slide the belt on the transmission wheel and spin it until it sits tight in place. Now you can install the front panel by fitting it into its rails and pull it up. You can find all the parts you need in the description below. We hope this video helped you fix your washer.